How would you feel if you knew that your home was going to be destroyed in a few billion years? That's a situation that we, as inhabitants of the Milky Way galaxy, are facing. Our galaxy is on a collision course with another galaxy called Andromeda, which is about 2.5 million light years away from us. This may sound like a safe distance, but the two galaxies are moving towards each other at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second, and they will eventually merge into a new larger galaxy. What will happen to the stars, planets, and the life in the two galaxies when they collide? How will the night sky looks like during after the merger? These are some of the questions that scientists are trying to answer by studying the future of our galactic home. You're watching Luminary Cosmos. In today's video, we will find out what's going to happen with our galaxy. So watch this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe Luminary Cosmos. The Milky Way and Andromeda are not isolated entities, but part of a larger group of galaxies called the Local Group, which contains about 50 other members, including the large and small Magellanic Clouds, which are visible from the southern hemisphere. The Local Group is also part of a bigger structure called the Laniakea Supercluster, which contains hundreds of thousands of galaxies, all moving under the influence of gravity. Within the Local Group, the Milky Way and Andromeda are the most massive and dominant members, and they are slowly approaching each other due to their mutual attraction. Using the Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers have measured the motion of Andromeda relative to the Milky Way and have predicted that the two galaxies will collide in about 4.5 billion years. This collision will not be violent crash, but a gradual merger, as the two galaxies will pass through each other several times before settling into a new, larger galaxy. The stars in the galaxies are so far apart that they will not directly collide, but their orbits will be disrupted by the changing gravitational forces. Some stars will be flung out of the merger, forming long tidal tails, while others will be drawn into the center, forming a dense core. The gas and dust in the galaxies will also interact, triggering bursts of stars formation and feeding the supermassive black holes at the center of both galaxies. Eventually, the black holes will also merge, creating a powerful emission of gravitational waves. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda will have profound implications for the solar system and life on Earth. The Sun and the planets will most likely remain intact, but their orbits will change, and they may be ejected from the galaxy or move to a different location. The night sky will also change dramatically, as the two galaxies will appear to merge and distort, creating new patterns of stars and nebulae. The increased star formation and black hole activity will also increase the radiation in the galaxy, which may affect the climate and habitability of the planets. However, by the time the collision happens, the Sun will also be nearing the end of its life and will have become a red giant, expanding and engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. Therefore, life on Earth may not survive the collisions unless it has migrated to other worlds or other galaxies. In all, the collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a fascinating topic because it shows us the dynamic and evolving nature of the universe and the fate of our own galaxy. It also challenges us to think about the future of life in the cosmos and the possibility of exploring and colonizing other galaxies. The collision is not something to be feared, but to the marveled at as a cosmic spectacle of beauty and wonder. So viewers, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I would love to hear your thoughts in the section below. Make sure to give thumbs up to this video and do not forget to subscribe Luminary Cosmos.